Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, we are going to see how can you fix the problem of your power button on but the screen is totally black and it is off. But mine here is on, but if yours is off, what can you do? The first step is the first fix is make sure that you are recharging your Lenovo IdeaPad with a proper charger. Make sure that your adapter which you're using is as same as your Lenovo PC's model. And the next is make sure that the cable which you're using to charge is of no damage. There is no damage in it and the outlet is also functioning properly. So the next fix is you can perform hard reset. For performing the hard reset, what can you do is you need to remove all the peripherals connected to it and then press the power button for around 10 to 15 or 20 seconds, and then after a few seconds you need to click on the power button again and just plug in all the peripherals back. So the next fix is we will enter the BIOS mode and try turning on in the BIOS mode. To enter BIOS mode, what can you do is you need to close your PC. So just close your PC and then open the PC and press F2 continuously. So when you press F2 continuously, you will enter this mode. Then once you enter the BIOS mode, you need to simply go to exit and then exit saving changes. This should take you the to the screen. So when you press, it should basically turn on. If not, we will do a startup repair. For that, what you can do is, as your PC is already turned off, you need to simply take a pointed pin. So this is the pointed pin, and after you take the pointed pin, you need to go beside your PC, and there is a hole. You need to press on the hole using the pointed pin. So this will take you to this Novo's menu. So you can see advanced repair. You need to go there. Then go to troubleshoot. Go to advanced options. And then you can find startup settings. Go there. So here you can easily start up settings. They have written restart to change Windows options, such as you need to click on restart. So by following this, it should help you solve the problem. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. If you think I helped you in some way, do like, share, comment, and also do subscribe to this channel.